Hi, welcome to the Deep Signal Library installation video. We're going to show you how to install the Deep Signal Library on Windows 10 and have it work with NinjaTrader 8 64-bit. It will only work with the 64-bit version of NinjaTrader 8. It will not work with the 32-bit version of NinjaTrader 8 or the NinjaTrader 7. So we went ahead and downloaded the installation file to our desktop, and we're going to run that here. You won't be able to see the asking for permission, but we're going to go ahead and ask and say OK for that step. The next part is going to be agreeing to the terms of service. If you agree, then click I agree. And we're going to install it in the default destination folder. And with the installation file, you won't have to import any files, any NinjaScript files. The installation file takes care of all that for you, so you don't. It's one less step you have to do. And we're going to go ahead and run NinjaTrader 8. And the first thing you want to do after installing it is compiling all the NinjaScript files. Make sure everything runs okay. So we're going to go to New, NinjaScript Editor, and then in the strategies, here's where the strategies got added in the DST folder. There are 4 files, NinjaScript files that got added: DST create model base, DST create model test, DST predict model base, and DST predict model test. Please feel free to modify the test files, but do not modify the DST create model base or the predict model base files, please. We're going to go ahead and open that file up. In order to create your machine learning model, there's really one method that you'll need to know. It's add DST indicator. And here we're going to add the MACD difference, and we're going to add volume. And this is just for a test. So you probably want to add whatever kind of indicator data that you think would make a good machine learning model for trading. So we're going to go ahead and compile. You can either click on the compile button up here, or you can also right click within the text fields and click on the compile button, or hit the F5 key. Once it's compiled, the next step is we're going to go into the strategy analyzer and run the create model test. So we're going to go to DST create model test, and then the next thing is we're going to change our instrument to be the E-mini S&P with continuous contracts, and we're going to change the date so we have a little bit more data. It's important to have lots of data to create machine learning models, so that please keep that in mind when you're creating your models. We're going to run it, and it's going to ask for the validation ID. And we went ahead and added the validation ID for this particular license into Notepad. Alright, so what it's going to do, it's going to go out to the deepsignal.txt website and register the license, and it'll save a license file on your computer, so you won't necessarily have to go out to the internet. And at that point, you're free to use the library and experiment and try new things for creating your new machine learning models. And if you'd like to learn more about the Deep Signal library, please look at our other videos or our online help at deepsignal.tech. Thank you.